Hi everyone, I'm Velvet. Thanks for watching my video. This is going to be another unboxing, this one a little bit longer. I think I had something like 9 packages arrive from AliExpress today, so I figured I would do that. I'm so excited. So this is something that I've been waiting for a long time. Alice in Wonderland cards. And they looked really kind of cool. See, they're postcards. They're nice thick, so they're definitely a normal thickness of postcard. It's definitely something you could send in the mail if you wanted to, but I ordered them to make an Alice in Wonderland junk journal once I get a little bit better at junk journaling. So that'll be handy. I have some of Stamperia's Alice collection, so I'm excited about that. And this package is just a couple of small packages of some remnants, and actually that would be a gift because I definitely wouldn't have ordered that, but it's awful cute, isn't it? And then some browns to go in a junk journal. I'm sorry, I've got a shadow here. I think it's from my phone, but apologize for that and apologize for the noise. And there's another package of some material. I really like this. There should be several different ones in there. I don't feel like opening it right now, plus it's very noisy. So that's another one that I plan to use for the junk journal. And this I just thought was so cute. One of the YouTubers that I watch, I think she had ordered this and put a link to it in her description. So I don't know. I just needed to get this. Odd. See, I pre-opened some of these, and this is, oh, that's pretty. That's just, I think, a thank you card, and these are just some little cards that you can put here, there, everywhere, in junk journals, on cards. They're just, it looks kind of like they're cut up postcards, quite frankly. Get a retro vibe. I love it. That's fabulous. So I'm hoping also to do a retro junk journal, so I thought that would be fun. Here's a stamp that I ordered all by itself. Hopefully you can see that. That's all the alphabets, and it looks like they're all separate. I hope they are. Yep, they are. I thought that might be nice for backgrounds for junk journaling. And then we have some sashes. I don't know what I'm going to do with these, but I thought they might look good on the spine of a junk journal. So that one's really gorgeous, isn't it? I like that. And I'll try to link the stores in the description, because I know that can be frustrating if you see something you like and the person doesn't say where they got it from. So I'm going to try to do that. So this... Oh, we've got a couple of, oh, look at the little bracelet. That's cute. A couple of bookmarks that they sent. And then just, you know, just some fun ephemera for journaling, junk journaling. Oh, there's some Alice stuff. Fun. They're very nicely, this is a really nice package. I'll be taking advantage of this thing. Just thought I'd open it up and see what we've got in here. Oh, lots of nice tickets. They're thin. They're definitely not ticket thick, but they're also stickers. So, you know, ink them up, rip them a little bit maybe, and throw them in a junk journal. That could be really a lot of fun. And then this is not a sticker, but it is two-sided, so that's kind of neat. So you've got a mix of stickers and thin die cuts, really. And then here's a whole bunch of stamps that I got. Now, I will say this. I try very hard not to buy from stores on AliExpress that I know are infringing copyrights and stealing intellectual property. So if you ever see me unbox something and it you know that the stamp is by someone here in the States, some company, please do let me know. And I will definitely stop buying from the shop. But I do like to get the stuff cheaper when I can. So AliExpress it is. But these are pretty cool. These are some nice stamps. Like railroad stamps, which will go very nicely with the Our Atelier unboxing that I did the other day. And then we've got that, there we go, that kind of a steampunk background. That's neat. Very retro. 40s maybe? Another retro stamp. Telephone. I got a thing for telephones in my cards and journaling. I don't know why. Another background that looks like Subway. Oh, no, it's dressmaking. Sorry. I don't even know what I ordered. But yeah, that's dressmaking in a little pattern. Some little tags. Those are cute. Poison bottles. Fascination with those for some reason. And I can never have enough clock stamps. So that's kind of fun. And now we're to the last package. So I got some tulle. A nice creamy color. I think that'll look good in the junk journals that I'm planning to do. There's some pretty ribbon. That one's gorgeous too. Oh, look at this. This is lovely. I might have to open this right now. It's got a very woven, almost a burlap-y feel. Canvasy. It's thick. Very nice. And here's something similar. Just an open weave ribbon. This is just a plain ribbon that I wanted to have for maybe closing the junk journals. I'm not sure. And this one kind of intrigued me, and it was very inexpensive, so I didn't see any reason not to get it. It's just leaf ribbon. Well, there is certainly a lot of it. I think I ordered a double order because I thought this might be nice, just in small snippets on a journal with a picture of a flower, something to that effect. That was my thought process anyway. And then some more little patterned fabric. If I can figure out how to open this, I would like to. I just want to see how it feels. I'm thinking that some of these could cover some junk mail envelopes and maybe the cover of a thin book. So if you put a couple of these together, one in the front, one in the back, that might be a nice fabric for a cover. Yeah, these are pretty nice. I would say they're maybe 8 by 8. 8 by 8, 8 by, oh wait, I can tell you. Nope, closer to 10 by 10 it looks like. About 9.5 by 9.5, I would say. At any rate, it's a nice cotton, thin fabric. And then I ordered some little bags to use as pockets in journaling. And this, I think, is tissue paper, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, some nice sheets of tissue paper. This is much, much smaller than they described it as on AliExpress. Way smaller. This is about half the size I expected. And of course, it's folded a little bit, but for my use, I think it'll be fine. You get a couple of each pattern. These are really nice. So, and it was very inexpensive, so I'm not complaining. So I thought, well, I had you, I would show you a couple of my recent projects. I've got them on my Facebook, but I haven't done anything with them. This is something I made out of a Barilla spaghetti box. So I just covered it with some ephemera, and I glued some vellum to the window, and I don't know what I'm going to use it for. I thought maybe it'd look nice in a junk journal, but it's kind of wide, so I guess I will save it for a wide junk journal at some point in the future if I make one. But I do like how it turned out, just the layering and all the different things on there. So I'm going to be using the boxes more often, I think. And then I did this yesterday or the day before. So I've got a little envelope tucked in there. But this is just Vintage Collection stamps. A stamp package. And what I did was I folded the flap backwards and glued it down. I had inked it, and then this was difficult. I glued in here an old dictionary page and then stuck one of Tim Holtz paper dowels in there. I thought the vintage look of the paper dowel would look nice with the vintage bicycle. And then some more Tim Holtz stuff. I think this is all Tim Holtz stuff on here. Take the scenic route. They're riding a bike. So, and then I thought, you know, what am I going to use this for? I thought maybe I'd put it in a junk journal. Again, it's a little wide, so I'll probably use it on a wider junk journal in the future. And then I just threw this together. It's just, you know, it's a scrap of some coffee dyed paper that I had. I just glued this little thing, the bottom half of it, to this to make kind of a place to tuck that. And it's just open it up and write wherever you want to. And then you can tuck it in to here, as well as anything else you want to tuck in here. So that was pretty fun to make. So that's the end of this video. I'm trying to keep them short and sweet so you don't get bored to tears. Thank you so much for watching and for stopping by, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. Bye now.